Okay, guys, let's discuss something that's very simple, but it will need each and every one of you to contribute to the overall goal of what I'm trying to achieve here with the message I'm going to give you. It's simple. How much of you are you willing to give out to the world so that society at large becomes a better place? It starts by helping the person right next to you. We have assessments coming up, and in our endeavor to work and achieve so that I walk out of here knowing that whatever I was here to teach and impart upon you actually works, it will be seen in the results of not only you, but the average or the collective. So if there's someone here that's needing your assistance, this is the time to help them. Final year is leap up in place, guys. Final year is what you need to work through. It's the last kick of a dying horse. It's the last push. And it's up to you to lift not only yourself through the effort that you put in, but also lift the person right next to you. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid. Don't be mute and mellow about it. Ask the person right next to you, where is it that they need help? Or maybe you've actually seen them and you've seen where it is that they need help. Take advantage of the fact that you know their weakness, but not in a negative way. Instead, take advantage by utilizing your strength so that you can all move up together. Environmental health is all about collectives. It's all about teamwork. It's all about collaboration. But those things actually start here, where each and every one of you assists each other. You build each other. It's been 3 years of working towards this goal. Don't let maybe the pride that you have or the ego that you have get in the way of you succeeding in whatever module, including this module right here. Manage yourself, manage your life, strive to do better. It's up to you, but it's also up to the collective. Teamwork makes the dream work. It's up to you working together to realign your goals, to push each other in the right direction, to push each other and steer the path for each and every one of you. The responsibility may start with self, but through your acquisition of knowledge, your acquiring of knowledge, your acquiring of skills, and your abilities being enhanced by being in this institution, how are you then enriching the next person? Because the profession itself, any profession, becomes better only when you push as a collective. When you do your best in isolation, but then pass it forward so that those that are with you succeed all the same. So I wish you all the best with these upcoming assessments, but I don't want you to forget my words. I want you to apply these words, enrich each other, empower each other, uplift each other, and rise and lift each other as you rise. I believe in you guys, and I'm for you guys. Good luck. Life is awaiting. Cheers.